As most of you already know, I closed my Discord servers and I have my own chat system on my website, and I'm doing everything on there. But I used to have a wall of shame on the Discord server, and that was actually quite fun and informative. Lots of people really enjoyed that. So I'm going to do it here on YouTube, and for the first installment of the Wall of Shame, I would like to showcase JoJo's battery here. Check it out, we have another battery expert, and I say that very sarcastically. So look at this junk build. You can see the plastics they're not even sized right. Look, I mean, there's massive gaps. It's all loose and stuff. It's just really low quality. There's no insulator discs. Granted, it's not welded yet, and that's not going to be the end of the world if there's no insulator discs, but it's just another bad mark for quality. It's just another corner cutting thing. You know, it's like, why not put them? Come on. And look, no separation between the series groups. You have positive up, positive up, and there's no insulation. The only insulation is just a few microns of plastic. You know, I'm not guaranteeing that this is going to burst into flames, but it's a low quality build. It shows that this builder cuts corners, and it shows that they're lazy, honestly. There's several areas where they could do a better job, but they don't. You know, they're just like, fuck it. Yeah, it's good enough. And here we have it welded, and there are no insulator discs. Like I said, it's not the end of the world, and you know, the insulator discs are really the most helpful during the build process anyway, but they do effectively prevent shoulder shorts. But again, this is a builder who is known to cut corners. And look at this. It's just very poorly designed and all glued together. This is a really shameful build. You know, I just don't see how he feels comfortable posting this. It just shows how off his concept of quality really is. You know, when he will post pictures like this and, you know, with pride. It's crazy. And you can tell these are used cells. I mean, I'm okay with that, you know. I've built several batteries like that. It's just, you know, look at it all together. You know, a bird's eye view. They're used cells. He doesn't have series separation. He's not using insulator discs. The plastics do not fit. Like, he did not, you know, you could just do a couple test prints, change the sizing a little bit, get it perfect, get it really good. Nope, not this guy. He's just like, oh, I'm going to slap it together. It'll be all right. Just look at it. It is awful. Like, nothing fits, you know? It's all glued in and still doesn't look right. Like, nothing's straight. Look at this. Oh, my God. It is terrible looking. But, you know, as usual, overbuild to underworry, you know, err to the side of, I don't know what resistance does. You know, I don't know what he's running, 800 amps or whatever, you know. So he skips on the important stuff, you know, like sizing things right, doing series insulation, using insulator discs. And then, of course, he just goes absolute ham on the series conductor because he does not understand resistance, you know, has no idea what the effect of resistance is on a series conductor or how much voltage drop or power loss there's going to be. So, you know, just put a ton of copper there, you know. Man. And check this out. Of course I called him out because I'm known to do that. Low quality and dangerous as usual. No insulator discs, and even worse, no series separation. Considering the source, it's par for the course though, because this guy is known to build low quality batteries. He is known to be a poor designer. And I've clearly demonstrated the problems with this battery, but he is just in total denial. Look at this. You're wrong in all of your assumptions. How did I assume anything? I'm just looking at the images this guy provided. You know, I'm going on what I see in his post. Like I said, I've clearly demonstrated these things and explained it in this video. So, there you go. This has been the first installment of the video edition of The Wall of Shame. It will not be the last one. There are many more to come. Thanks for watching.